have 10 screenshot images from news websites with the same word in the headline. Place the files on the timeline. Change the duration of each clip to 5 frames. Remove the gaps. Go to Effects and add solid color. Set opacity to around 50 and trim the solid so it matches the size in which we want to see the word. Select the first clip and adjust the scale and position so the word fits inside the template. Repeat the same with the remaining clips. Remove solid color, we no longer need it. Select all clips, create a fusion composition. Switch to fusion, add a background node, connect polygon to it. Draw a line through the center of the word. In the settings, set the thickness and remove rounding. Choose a color for the background node. In the merge node, change apply mode to darker color. Back to polygon. Move to the first frame. Set a keyframe on the length parameter. Value is 0. Go to the middle of the clip. Set the value to 1. Also set a keyframe on the position parameter. Value is 0. Go to the last frame and set the position value to 1. We get this effect. Add radial blur. Connect ellipse. Enable invert and adjust the ellipse size and the blur amount. Done.